Hello everyone, my name is Saady Chohan and in this video I'm going to talk about PlanSwift. What is PlanSwift, how to download and install, how you can benefit from the PlanSwift. So if you're an AEC, architecture, engineering and construction professional, you could be an architect, civil engineer, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, quantity surveyor, project manager, commercial manager, even a student. If your concern is to get the takeoff from the drawing, you need to measure something, PlanSwift software is helpful for you. PlanSwift is a USA-based software, but it's very popular all over the world, especially in Middle East and some of the European country outside of US. It's available freely. You can simply visit the PlanSwift official website. You can download the trial version. Plus, under the description of this video, I have attached a 2-minute video link where you can follow the instruction. It will help you to download and install the PlanSwift. Coming back to the topic. What is PlanSwift? So PlanSwift is basically a quantity takeoff software. It has many features. I evaluated many software. I used it personally for construction work. I used Costex, Bluebeam, eTakeoff and multiple other software for takeoff. But I find PlanSwift very user-friendly and of course it's efficient. So highlighting the first and main feature of PlanSwift, it can support all the common type of file format. Being a construction professional, we know that even AutoCAD has 3 file format: DWG, DXF, DWF. On the other hand, you have PDF, picture, scan file. The good thing is PlanSwift can support all of those file format. So you don't really need to download and install multiple software while you can manage with one software. So PlanSwift alone can support all of those file format. PlanSwift cannot support 3D, Revit, those file format, but when it comes to 2D, PlanSwift can support all of them. Second good thing is setting the scale. It's a lot easier, especially when we talk about the worst case like PDF, picture and scan file, where the quality is poor. PlanSwift takes few seconds to set the scale. You just need to show any relevant reference in the drawing. It could be a dimension, even it could be a door or window or even a wall thickness. Any reference you just need to provide to the PlanSwift, it can set the scale accordingly. And if you need to set the scale in feet or inches or meter, centimeter, and the good thing is if you set the scale incorrectly and you measure all the quantity, it requires few seconds to readjust to update the scale and it will automatically update the quantities accordingly. So setting the scale is a lot easier. That was the second thing. Third is you need to measure some takeoff. PlanSwift has 3 main takeoff tool: area, linear, count. These 3 takeoff tools can get you the takeoff from any drawing. Maybe you are a civil engineer where your concern is to get the quantity maybe for the column, for the beam, for the slab, and maybe footing, concrete, reinforcement. PlanSwift can help you to get the takeoff from those trade and packages as well. If you're an MEP engineer, maybe you need to get some mechanical, electrical and plumbing like some pipes, drainage and water supply, maybe electrical, fire alarm, emergency light, voice evacuation. There are different systems. PlanSwift can help you to get the takeoff from all of those domains with the help of 3 takeoff tools: area, linear, count, smartly. Apart from these 3 basic takeoff tools, it has 3 more advanced takeoff tools: AutoCount, single click, and change item type. Let me highlight 2 tools. One of them is AutoCount. AutoCount is AI-based tool and it's very advanced. We know that in PDF and picture file, there are no layers and block. AutoCount tool can search the symbol shape from the drawing, and based on that symbol shape, of course, the more clear picture we have, the better result we gain. Based on that symbol shape, it can search, scan, and can give us the maximum result. Sometimes it gives us hundreds and thousands of, especially when the drawings are bigger, results, and based on that we can save our time. So AutoCount is very smart tool. Second is single click. As you understand by the name, it requires 1 click, and based on the shape, it could be regular or irregular shape. It will search the shape. It offers us quickly area and linear, so you don't need to highlight manually. You don't need to go through that manual way like length and width, where PlanSwift require 1 click and you get the result. Imagine if there's so many ceiling, maybe it's a slab, maybe it's a flooring and other area. It requires few clicks to get the result. That's the advanced tool. Then another tool, and my most favorite one, is Overlay. Overlay tool has an ability to compare any 2 plans and within a second it can show you the result. Imagine if during the construction drawing change, which is very common approach, drawing change, you receive maybe as a project manager, as a quantity surveyor, you receive a drawing pack with there's so many drawing, like all the architecture drawing, all the civil drawing, all the MEP drawing, there's so many drawing. It's not only required days but weeks to identify the changes, and then only you can advise the client and make an assessment accordingly. So PlanSwift has an ability, it can compare any two drawing, revision 0, revision 01. It compare and within few seconds it shows the result. It could be a CAD drawing or a PDF drawing. You compare and changes are with you. So that saves a lot of time and it's one of my favorite tool. Then once you finish the quantity takeoff with the help of area, linear and count, your next concern is to export the quantity. So PlanSwift can export the quantity in multiple way. It can export the quantity, of course, with the single click. We can export the quantity as an item wise. Item could be your pipe, cable, duct. Item could be column, beam, slab, door, window. You need to export the quantity as item wise. That could be your one concern. Or second, you need to export the quantity as a breakdown. So you need to know, like, okay, give me the door, but give me the door that are on the ground floor, on the first floor, or maybe door type as a wooden door or a steel door or glass door. So PlanSwift can give you the quantity as a breakdown because it keeps the quantity in an organized way. And the third way is you can export the quantity as a floor wise, as a drawing wise. So there are even more ways you can get the quantity based on the requirement. Plus, PlanSwift has a powerful thing, it can integrate. So if you have a PlanSwift on the one side and if you have an Excel sheet on the other side, PlanSwift can integrate, and while you are getting the quantity, maybe door or window, same time it will transfer the value in your BOQ. Maybe you have prepared the BOQ as per NRM2, as per POMI, as per ARM4 or different standards. PlanSwift can integrate, and while you're measuring, your quantity will already be there. It's one of the powerful function. And on top of all, and the last thing that I'm going to highlight is PlanSwift can enable users to customize based on their need. So imagine you measure the length and it gives you only the running meter, only the length, but you need some customization as well. You want software to give us length plus 10% extra. You want length, but it should give you the price and the total price and the wastage factor. And there's so many things. So all the requirements that you have, all those customization that you want, PlanSwift enable user to do that with the help of templates. Even I have uploaded many templates video on my YouTube channel. You can find it under the playlist of template. So templates customization is one of the powerful things that PlanSwift has. So these were the few things that I highlighted, but of course there are more. I will suggest you to explore, download the trial version. You will find the trial instructions in the description. Plus, if you need to know about the basic training of PlanSwift, the link is provided. Advanced, which is templates, the link is provided. So evaluate the software. It will help you, it will benefit you as a construction professional. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy and learn. So if you have any question or doubt, feel free to drop it in a comment or connect with me on LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.